The National Weather Service office in Tulsa has issued a tornado warning for Tulsa County. A F3 was spotted moving near the city and predicted to hit Tulsa. Please grab non-perishable food that lasts around 30 days, water, medical kits, batteries, flashlights, and a battery-powered radio. Move into the lowest floor of a building or a tornado shelter. Please note that all telephone lines are shut down due to the tornado, meaning that you are unable to call anybody, except for texting, which works for communication. If you have any family relatives or pets, please bring them in with you for their safety and you too. If possible, grab any prized possessions that are valuable to you or any family member/relative. Stay safe and use any precautions if possible.